Thank you, Madam Chair. I'd like to begin by thanking Chairman Bishop, the rest of the subcommittee, and the staff. Mr. Chairman, you've put together a terrific bill that will help not only our farmers but also our rural communities, our seniors, and our national health. Over the past few months, all of us have learned how important broadband service is for connecting us to crucial services like telehealth and online education, as well as keeping us connected with our loved ones and our workplaces. It's a bill that provides more than $1 billion of new investment in rural broadband projects that will make significant differences for rural communities like the one I represent. It was 84 years ago that President Roosevelt signed into law the Rural Electrification Act. These are things that government is good at, and that's why I'm proud that this money went into your bill, Mr. Chairman. The bill that also provides funding to help the many American families experiencing economic hardship to put food on the table. As some have said already here this afternoon, it allocates nearly $6 billion in funding for the WIC program, Women, Infants, and Children, $25 billion in mandatory funding for child nutrition programs, and nearly $70 billion for the SNAP program, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. Nobody should go hungry in America, and this bill will help move us closer to the goal of eliminating hunger in our country. Finally, the bill provides resources for the Food and Drug Administration to help them review treatments, and we hope soon, vaccines for COVID-19, building on the CARES Act and the Coronavirus Preparedness and Response Supplemental Act. It also lets the FDA accelerate much-needed initiatives like support for new manufacturing technologies to produce influenza vaccines. And I couldn't agree more strongly with our ranking member, Mr. Fortenberry, about the importance of American manufacturing of drugs and not depending on China to do it. 100 years ago, our country and the world faced another deadly pandemic, the one caused by an influenza virus strain. Even as we fight the coronavirus, we must continue to guard against other forms of infectious disease. So, Chairman Bishop, on behalf of my constituents, let me thank you again for your hard work in leading the effort that produced this bill. I yield back.